And then one of the things that you had mentioned about, recall and artists remembering stuff, and that is smell for recall. That one of the strongest senses that you can have is when you go outdoors and you want to work on your memory skills is to capture the smell of a subject. And then when you try to recall the smell, you actually can flood the brain better with images. So like you mentioned somebody, do you remember your third grade cafeteria? And they go, no. And I go, do you remember how it smelled? And they're like, oh, yeah. There's just certain things. Do you remember your third grade cafeteria smell? That combination of hamburger and ammonia, it's like, okay, I can put me right to that spot. And so you want to try to, as one of the things is just a trigger memory. So anyway, so those are just notes that I had where you were talking.
Great, those are good. Those are good. I'll flesh that out.
Fabulous.